of the planning of the funeral, minua no move for the woman some more back. As one of the band class at time near woman, I'm saying, hey, it will not happen here. I don't care what your opinion and whatever. Me ma won me ko me papa funu. It will never happen. Now, the thing is that you can be in a family and have disagreements. Can be in a family. And look at how beautiful Nana Kunadu's children honor their father and their mother. Even if they have differences, because of the respect of their parents, they will put it aside. It's okay. But a beer asemna bano onipa kuninti asasem na bano. Let's honor his memory. Na yemfa Nkwasea ntokwanto nchen. And let's honor the memory of that person. It's beautiful. And me Nkwasea ntokwa nwie nkotena asore de. Ya yejidie na ya bofuno menyame. Yeah. When my father died, my father's children, I am the last born of 12 children. 11 biological children, 1 adopted child. My mother's children are 5, but man can see see many of my betina have feeling kunwai fair city nano set way as no way mame as no way mame, because my father didn't portray that. Midian say me papa wonu ye menuya. Beginning of the planning of the funeral, minua no move for the woman some more back. As one of the band class at time near woman, I'm saying, hey, it will not happen here. I don't care what your opinion and whatever. Me ma won me ko me papa funu. It will never happen. Me na me yasofo no, me na me plan bibi ya wa ha. Mu musika me na me Jessica ne baba besi me nsam na me de aye de no. Obia ni wa obetra hye. Period. And what a shut it up like this. I told them, "Mema pamuni power sorry them all. The nipa bi wa normal bala basta. Me anam say nsia biem presby wa ha lighthouse wa ha we wa ha go. Me anam o me so tra me pamo da yesie bia papa. In different one fancy unu bi ama. We are honoring a man. Or ye will say, why, yes, say, why, on your masam, we are honoring ye, we are a sea of aqua, ye see, and Nukojina Nanaso, ne tia, so that kick me on your masam, ye. Impressively, the Lord gave me grace. It worked. Minuanum na, Minuanum be at the 75. I have siblings who are 75 years. Ubi at ye, the American. Yadi papa bet to her. Da. A show bokra a da. Every did 1 year, you did 2 years, you did so na ba nicely near Yena Shina Menu. Ubi a waffin and Croford Nkwasea Manso nomini ade. Stop it! Stop it! Only Panwa we know he doesn't deserve that. Stop it. Hallelujah.